What's the matter? You look like you've never seen a couple of kayaks strapped on a sedan before. Getting ready, hyped up to go shred the waterfall at Fossil Creek for the 3rd time. Let's get it. So we have to take Coulter's truck because it's the only truck that is competent enough for that shitty ass road at Fossil Creek. But we don't have the key for these shits. So I had to crawl through that window and undo it. Okay, I think my man just got it. You ready?
Oh, hell no!
Yeah.
Bingo! Breaking into your buddy's truck 101.
Flip that back down.
Flip it back down. My man's like in jail. Doing time. Look at the hole this man had to climb through. What? We had to roll down this window right here and then open this bad window up. Look at my man back there. All right, well, we're gonna pack up and tomorrow we're gonna head out. Stay tuned. Lock on.
Nithanar! Let's go! You know what they say? Early human gets the worm.
Almost to Fossil Creek, on this crazy ass road. It's super beautiful. Right now we're moving through an ash formation, I think deposited by a volcano a couple thousand ago. But it's quite pretty, very eroded, and it's a very narrow road. And so, anyway, we'll see you there. Signing off.
Catch on the river.
We never go home in the summer. Yeah, that is what we used to say. I'll never be cold with a lover, 'cause my heart is where I shake. I'll never go home in the summer. Yeah, that is what we used to say. I'll never be cold with a lover, 'cause my heart is where I shake.
Second run of the day, walked back up. We only went about halfway because we're too wuss to walk all the way up to the waterfall. It hurts really bad. But I was just putting in. Send it, sick.
This one goes out to all my day ones. We call this run petroleum grease. You give it, you go down the rapid, you say petroleum grease, and then shred, dude. I've already flipped like a couple times because of this new bad Bambino, the Red Devil. Don't know how to work this thing. We're gonna figure it out though.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world's trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps Peace all day, spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast, condos in Queens, indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear, putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood, and it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Oh shit. What would be more helpful? Ready? Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Thank you. Oh no! Just got back. We're going to go pick up the sea dog, the Colt boy, the Seaman.
Those boats are
Fun.
really, really fast.
Oh my god,
compared
dude.
to our old boats.
Yeah, you're right.
So we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, you like skip over shit. I jumped a
through all the
rock,
rapids.
man. Input clip right now.
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
It probably didn't look like I jumped the rock, but it felt like it. Jonah D'Antonio is watching this. I swear to God, we're better at this. I swear.
I think you actually gave us the idea to go to Fossil
Yeah.
Creek.
Oh,
Your
shout
YouTube
out to him. He has a good YouTube channel. I don't know how to link stuff, but maybe it'll be somewhere around here.
We'll see about that.
Adios. Maybe that was just bullshit. Adios.
Try seasonings on all your meats. I promise it tastes nice.
Whoa, bald. Wait, what? Nah, that's not. What is it? Is that a golden eagle? Turkey vulture. What the fuck? Why does it have a white tail? Oh, that might be a black hawk. Oh, it's a black hawk.